Vashon, this is an application for deferred adjudication. Donna, you ready? Court is calling 2023 CR 6375, State of Texas versus Claude Cunningham. Could I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Hank Wilkins to the state, Your Honor.
Defense?
Gabriel Solis, Your Honor.
All right, are you Claude Cunningham? All right, I'm gonna need you to keep your voice up so the court reporter can hear.
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, have you received all the discovery and did you review it with your client?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Mr. Cunningham, I'm showing you what's entitled application for deferred adjudication or community supervision. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it? And did you sign it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Showing you what's entitled true bill of indictment. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
We do, Your Honor.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
We are, Your Honor.
Mr. Cunningham, I'm showing you what's entitled court admonishments and defendants waivers and affidavit of admonitions. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you
Yes, Your
sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand you're charged with possession of a weapon in prohibited places? That's a third-degree felony. The range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 10 years in prison and up to $10,000 fine. Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Finding the guilt as you applied for deferred adjudication. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Your Honor.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
Your Honor, as far as sentencing, the only request we have, Your Honor, is that he's a resident of Corpus Christi, Texas, and if the
Okay.
court would consider transferring his probation to Nueces County.
All right, are you employed?
Yes, ma'am.
What do you do?
I'm a industrial firefighter, safety supervisor.
All right, I will tell you, I've been to the airports plenty of times. And when you're rolling your bag through, there's a big sign on the door, the sliding doors that says, check, make sure you have no weapons. So, and then honestly, I've read that if you let them know you have a weapon, there's a certain way that you can check it through.
Yes, Your Honor.
And just on a personal note, I went to the airport and they took my aloe vera, which you know how expensive that is. They took it, but you can check a gun. But my aloe vera is a bridge too far. So I understand, I read the report. I understand it was a mistake on your part. Sometimes people are packing in a hurry and they don't remember what they have. All right, do you have any children?
No.
Okay. This is what the court will do. Court is going to sentence you to $1,000 fine. That will be probated. I'll allow the transfer to Nueces County. Okay. Two years deferred adjudication. The MRT course. Actually, he needs a gun safety course. So I'm going to throw in a gun safety course.
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes, Your Honor.
In addition.
Yes. Well, no, because I really don't think it's a MRT type of thing. I think it's people need to be aware what they have in their check bags, and people need to be more careful with guns.
Yes, Your Honor.
I mean, because if you would have brought that gun on the plane in a check bag, guess what happened? If something goes down on the plane and people are looking for things, they grab your bag. Oh, bullets are here, guns here, you know?
Yes, yes, Your Honor.
So a gun safety course, there's to be regular reporting by Zoom or in person,
Yes, Your Honor.
regular UAs, 200 hours of community service restitution, proof of employment within 30 days.
Yes, Your Honor.
There's to be no employment as a home health care provider or with minors. Probation, is there anything else he needs?
No, Your Honor.
All right, once you've completed everything, I'll consider early termination if there are no violations. Is there anything else you need from the court to be successful?
No, Your Honor. Thank you.
All right, I'm showing you what's entitled trial court certification of defendant's rights to appeal. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it? And did you sign it?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, And because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Do you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, good luck to you. Be careful with
Thank you.
guns.
Thank you.
All right. We'll bring you back on Halloween.
I'm in. You know what my Halloween costume is?
What?
One of them. I have several. Oh, thanks. It is an authentic game day, everything, head to toe. Texas Longhorn football uniform, pads, pants,
You're going all out.
gloves. May I?
Yes,
May I?
yes.
Okay.
That's awesome.
I better not.
So that's one uniform. What's the other? What's
You know,
the
this
other?
is the only setting I have. With your consent, I'll do it.
Yeah, sure. Do it.
Oh gosh. So, okay. I have like
I
a,
don't know if they're gonna let you in with a helmet. You may want to call the
I brought it
deputies.
in before, believe it or not.
Oh, well, come on in.
Yeah. I have a Revolutionary War general one, long boots and everything. And then I have like a Jedi Knight one. So,
Somebody posted on Facebook that her
I'm
husband,
basic. I'm used to basic.
her husband got the lightsaber and the neighbor had one and they were out at all hours of the night playing with
Like
them.
their swords.
Yes.
They make some that are very authentic and very expensive in the $1,500 range, but I've seen them. But
You know, I always know there's a debate and I like both, but of course, Star Trek over Star Wars for me.
I didn't get too deep into Star Trek, so I don't have enough information to answer.
Oh, you should
To be
start with the original and then
The
you can go
series
to
or the movie. The movie.
Oh, no. Start with the series.
Yeah. Now that I'm
The
familiar-
series is awesome.
It is.
I still always have a debate with people and I tell them Mr. Spock should have been captain, not Captain Kirk. If you really think about it, Captain Kirk brought nothing to the table. He did not. I mean, of course, he was the ladies' man.
Like the ladies.
That's it.
He-
Spock was the one who would figure out everything.
Sex sales judge. I'm
Yeah.
sorry.
He figured out, yeah, Day of the Gun. He figured out how to trouble with tribbles. He figured out how to everything. He figured, and Spock would just, I mean, Captain Kirk would just come with the away team just so he could be there.
Spock's personality was a little too linear. There was like no. He was just like
Yeah, he was great.
smart.
Yeah,
And
he was.
He'll pinch you to death. So.
There you go. You need him.
Pinch. He has no idea what we're even talking about. Whatever.
Oh, young people.
Yeah.
I need to put as part of their conditions of community
Watch Star
service,
Trek?
watch Star
Do it.
Trek. Because there were some great teachable moments in Star
Give
Trek.
him a quiz.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right. So if you all finish.